Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Diva Washing Detergent is probably one of the most versatile and effective laundry detergents on the market, and in this video, we will deep dive into its features, exploring its cleaning power, fabric care capabilities, and overall value for money, comparing it to other popular brands and helping you decide if it's the right choice for your laundry needs. We'll also look at user reviews and address some frequently asked questions. Number 5. Tyler's Diva Glam Wash. Experience the luxurious scent of Tyler's Diva Glam Washington. It's formulated to be gentle on your clothes while effectively cleaning them. Enjoy your favorite scents all day and night. This detergent leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your most delicate fabrics. It's perfect for linens, lingerie, and more. This detergent is specially formulated to clean effectively, leaving your clothes sparkling clean. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. Tyler's Diva Glam Wash is the perfect choice for those who want their clothes to smell amazing and stay clean. Try it today. From everyday clothes to your most delicate items, it handles it all. It's versatile and effective for all your laundry needs. What we like? It's a great value with its large size. If you love lingering fragrances and want to pamper your clothes, this is perfect for you. This is ideal if you wash a lot of clothes and want a scent that lasts. What people say. The scent is absolutely amazing. It's so luxurious and long-lasting. My clothes smell incredible even after I've put them away in the closet. It's the perfect blend of sweet, floral, and fresh, and it makes every load of laundry feel like a spa experience. Not only does it smell fantastic, but it also works great at getting my clothes clean without being harsh. It's gentle on fabrics but still effective. Smells amazing and clothes are clean, even my husband's outdoor, filthy, stained work clothes. Number 4. Tyler Glamorous Wash Diva. Experience the luxury of Tyler Glamorous Wash, a gentle yet effective detergent perfect for all your delicate fabrics. It's formulated to clean thoroughly while preserving the quality of your cherished items. It doesn't matter if you prefer machine or hand washing, this versatile detergent works beautifully in both. Enjoy the convenience and care it provides. This detergent is specially designed to be gentle on delicate fabrics like linens, lingerie, and more, leaving them feeling soft and refreshed. Say goodbye to harsh detergents that damage your clothes. Infused with a captivating floral scent, it leaves your clothes smelling amazing. The fragrance lingers, providing a soothing and pleasant aroma that lasts. With a generous 32-ounce bottle, you'll have plenty of this luxurious detergent to keep your clothes sparkling clean and beautifully scented. It's the perfect size for your laundry needs. Tyler Glamorous Wash is more than just a detergent, it's a luxurious experience for your laundry. It's the ultimate combination of cleaning power and gentle care. What we like? This versatile size is perfect for those who prefer smaller quantities. It's gentle yet effective, suitable for both machine and hand washing. If you need a detergent that works well for all your delicate items and you prefer a smaller bottle, this is the one for you. What people say. The scent lasts for about 2 weeks, give or take, on clothing and linens. It projects and you will get compliments. The clean, fresh smell that it leaves on my sheets and other items is so nice and refreshing. It even makes the bedroom and the bath smell fantastic. It's a subtle fragrance, but it makes everything just smells fresh. The smell is amazing. It's very concentrated, which explains why it's so strong straight out of the bottle. You only need a tiny amount for your laundry, and it goes a long way. Number 3. Tyler Glamorous Diva Laundry Wash. Experience the luxury of clean with our new detergent. It's perfect for all your delicate fabrics and leaves behind a captivating scent. This unique formula is tough on stains but gentle on even the most delicate items. It's suitable for both machine and hand washing. Whether you prefer the convenience of a machine or the care of hand washing, it's versatile enough to handle it all. Enjoy the long-lasting, soothing aroma of Tyler fragrances on your clothes. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean. From linens and lingerie to fine fabrics, it's the perfect choice for all your laundry needs. It's designed to keep your clothes looking and smelling their best. Available in a convenient 16-ounce bottle, it's the perfect size for your laundry needs. Get yours today. What we like? It's compact and perfect for travel or small loads. It's also gentle on delicate fabrics. If you're looking for a smaller, portable option for your delicates, this is a great choice. What people say. The scent lasts for about 2 weeks, give or take, on clothing and linens. It projects and you will get compliments. The clean, fresh smell that it leaves on my sheets and other items is so nice and refreshing. It even makes the bedroom and the bath smell fantastic. It's a subtle fragrance, but it makes everything just smells fresh. The smell is amazing. It's very concentrated, which explains why it's so strong straight out of the bottle. You only need a tiny amount for your laundry, and it goes a long way. Number 2. Tyler Gallon Glam Wash. Experience the luxurious scent of Tyler Gallon Glam Washington. It's formulated to be gentle on your clothes while effectively cleaning them, leaving behind a long-lasting, pleasant aroma. Enjoy your favorite scents all day and night. This detergent will keep your clothes smelling fresh and clean for hours. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your clothes. It's perfect for cleaning delicate fabrics like linens and lingerie. Use it to clean all your clothes, from everyday wear to your finest fabrics. It's versatile and effective for all your laundry needs. This high-quality detergent is made in the United States. Experience the difference of a premium laundry detergent. With Tyler Glamorous Wash, you get a deep clean and a fresh, luxurious scent that lasts. It's the perfect way to pamper your clothes and yourself. What we like. This is the ultimate value size, perfect for large households. It's gentle on clothes and made in the USA. If you need a huge amount of detergent and prefer American-made products, this is your best bet. What people say. The scent is absolutely incredible, luxurious, warm, and long-lasting without being overpowering. It cleans thoroughly and works well on everything from delicate fabrics to heavily soiled items. A little goes a long way, so even though it's on the pricier side, it lasts a while and feels worth every penny. Number 1. Tyler Glamorous Diva Wash. Experience the luxury of Tyler Glamorous Diva Washington. It's the perfect way to give your clothes a glamorous clean. This isn't your average laundry detergent. It's formulated to pamper your fabrics and leave them smelling divine. The captivating floral scent will leave your clothes smelling fresh and beautiful. Enjoy the delightful aroma long after your laundry is done. With a generous 64-ounce bottle, it's perfect for large loads and will last for many washes. You'll get amazing value for your money. Simply add 2 capfuls to your washing machine. Don't use your regular detergent, this is all you need for a sparkling clean. It's more than just laundry detergent, it's a luxurious experience. Give your clothes the glamorous treatment they deserve. What we like. It offers a delightful floral scent and effectively cleans clothes. If you're looking for a strong floral scent and effective cleaning power, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who prefer a strong and pleasant fragrance. What people say. Appears to clean clothes as my other detergents, but the scent lasts much longer. I pulled blankets out of a closet that had been stored for 6 months after being washed in this detergent, and the blankets smelled like I had just pulled them out of the wash. It is a bit pricey, but reserved for special items only. You can smell the clean in the entire house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.